Africa's biggest economy has seen an increase in the shipment of smartphones in the second quarter of 2021, according to the latest insights from the International Data Corporation (IDC). After a year of unprecedented market conditions, Africa's smartphone market is showing signs of recovery from the economic damage inflicted by the COVID-19 pandemic. Details in this report.
With an estimated over 100 million smartphone users and still counting, it's really not a surprise that the IDC data shows Nigeria tops smartphone shipments into Africa. Ziggy Ibe has been dealing in ICT products, including smartphones, in Nigeria's biggest ICT market, the Computer Village in Lagos, for several years now. He says the demand for smartphones is rapidly increasing.
Some of the smartphones demand is basically because of their video quality, because of their connectivity ability to connect to your business partners out there. Okay, so yes, the smaller phones are still in the market, but their demands are becoming too low because there's nothing much they could do as compared to the smartphones.
ICT experts say price is at the heart of the increasing demand for smartphones in Nigeria, and they attribute that to cheaper smartphones from Chinese brands, which are now the market leader in the country.
We've been able to discount the prices of the highly known brands, and I don't want to mention their names, by a factor of 45% in terms of pricing. And this has made it accessible to those that are previously feature-owned phone users to the smartphone users. And since it's their first time of using the smartphones, they obviously are very price conscious. And because the Chinese type phones and devices have been able to address the affordability, there's been a noticed ramp up in the number of smart devices that are in country.
One Chinese brand that has quickly established itself as the dominant player in Nigeria's smartphone market is Transsion, with its popular brands Tecno and Infinix. Ibe says the demand for the brands is indeed high.
Tecno and Infinix are taking the lead because they are affordable, okay, and they can equally give you what you can do with the little amount you use in getting them. It's evidential, you know, in all the places you go.
With Nigeria set to roll out the 5G network, ICT experts are forecasting increased broadband penetration and smartphone usage in the country.
That means that we have to spend more on Forex, which is not such a good thing for Nigeria. Obviously, if we are able to support and promote local brands, and I'm referring to Tecno, for instance, and AfriOne, then there'll be less dependence or requirements for Forex to be used to import these phones. So what we need to do is really establish locally assembled or locally manufactured devices in Nigeria. We have a very large population and it's going to continue to grow.
As smartphone sales continue to rise, demand for feature phones, which used to dominate the market here, is dropping. The IDC data shows feature phone shipment into the country dropped by 6.4% in the second quarter of 2021. So it might just be a matter of time before smartphones completely take over the market here.